Hey guys, how are you all? In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how can you control your Google Family link in your mobile phone. So just you need to give to access to your children for YouTube. You just need to open your Family Link application on Google. If you don't have it, you can download it from Google Play Store. So now you can see this. There is a child account called Jimmy in my main mail ID. So I will just open the settings for this account. We'll go to Jimmy's setting, and in setting you have to go on YouTube settings option on the second, and here you just have to open and choice for your children what you want to show him. So YouTube Kids or YouTube Music. So you just have to select these options, and most of the YouTube all content explore more. So these are the three options you can select for best for your child. Just click on next and finish your setup. So this is the video. If you problem was solved by this video, then please subscribe the channel and hit a like button and show your love in comment. Thank you so much for watching.